Inherited an ERA accounting database file and need to access historical financial records? These hold business accounting data from the ERA accounting platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and working with these ERA accounting database files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest ERA cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. A user encountering an ERA file is typically a database designer, student, or analyst working with the ER Assistant tool. The file contains an entity relationship ER diagram, which visually represents the structure of a database. The user's goal is to open, edit, or export this data model. The ERA file is a proprietary format, likely structured as XML or a custom binary format, to store all elements of an ER diagram. This includes entities, attributes, relationships, and their graphical layout information. The design is optimized for quick loading and saving within the ER Assistant application itself. For ERA, begin with accounting software and proceed from there. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows gives only high-level attributes, so deeper inspection depends on database software. Right-click the ERA file and select Open With. Since this format can be handled by multiple tools, try the best match from the list first. Look for apps related to accounting software, then continue down the options. If the ERA file is still giving you trouble, relax. This particular ERA file is causing errors because it's so specialized. We need to check these 3 key details right now to rule out simple mistakes. First, opening an ERA software. Install the ERA accounting application matching the version that created the database file. Use File then Open Company or similar function to load the ERA file. The application provides full accounting functionality, including data entry, reporting, reconciliation, and financial statement generation through the Integrated Business Management interface. Next, exporting for migration. Within the ERA application, export accounting data to standard formats like CSV, Excel, or QIF for migration to other accounting systems. Generate exports for chart of accounts, transaction history, customer lists, and vendor records. These exports import into QuickBooks, Xero, or other modern accounting platforms during business system migrations. Finally, modern accounting platforms. For ongoing accounting needs, consider migrating from ERA to actively maintained platforms like QuickBooks, Xero Sage, or FreshBooks. Export historical data from ERA, then import into your chosen platform. Cloud-based accounting provides better integration with banks, tax preparation, and modern business workflows than legacy desktop accounting databases. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.